Today, our daughter wants to cook Italian food for us. We call pasta tomato cream sauce. Peel and wash 3 cloves of garlic roughly chopped. Then set aside. Next, peel onion and wash it, then cut thin slice and set aside. Three liters of water. When water is boiling, add pasta and boil for 11 minutes. Boil pasta about 10 minutes or 11? 11, huh?
Yeah, but it depends on the pasta.
Yeah, this one we boil 11 minutes. After 11 minutes, strain the water off the pasta. Pour a little bit of oil and mix a little bit and set aside. Add bacon into the pot. Use medium heat, turn over and let it cook a little bit. Put in a cup and set aside. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the same pot. Use medium-high heat. Add onion to fry until fragrant. Then add garlic. Mix them and turn over a couple of times. Beware not to let it burn. Add white pepper. Then add tomato paste. After that, mix them well. Add cream a little bit at a time. 1 pack of cream, 200 milliliters. Pour 3 times. Each time, mix them well. Then add bacon. Yummy. Add the last cream.
Parmesan.
We have Parmesan. If the sauce is too thick, can add a little bit of water. 1 teaspoon of Cajun. What's that one?
This is Cajun spice. It's a mix.
One tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. What about this one?
It's already. It has in there already.
Next, add pasta. Mix it well. Yummy.
Do we have basil?
Basil, yeah. Ready to serve. The color is so beautiful. Like a chef. Beautiful like chef.
You want some basil? Shriveled, dried, soggy basil.
ขอขอบคุณทุกท่านที่ติดตามรับชมวิดีโอของเราค่ะพบกันวิดีโอหน้านะคะ Thank you for following and watching our video. We will see you next video.